What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Ice Mario. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page and draw an oval for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top. Go all the way around the left side, towards the bottom, go up the right, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to tuck the eyes in along the top of the nose, leaving a gap in the center. Go to the left side. We're going to draw a large oval going up toward the top, come around the side of the eye, and then in towards the nose. Let's line this up on the right. Going up toward the top, all the way around, and then back in. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller oval, going up, come around, and then in. Then again, in the center, we're going to draw a smaller oval for the pupil, going all the way around, and then back in. Let's add a small circle along the top of the pupils. For a highlight, and then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now just underneath the eyes on the side of the nose, we're going to curve the mustache, going around the eye and then up. And you want to add those curves across the bottom of the mustache, starting on the left, coming around and then in. Let's add another set of curves, coming down and up. Now add one more on either side, coming down and up in the middle. Now we want to fill the inside of the mustache in black. Let's go up above the eyes and add in the eyebrow. We're going to start with a curve, just following the curve of the eyes coming in. And then we want to thicken up the eyebrows. Starting from the outside, go higher in the middle, and then back down to the inside. We also want to fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Let's tuck the mouth in underneath the mustache, starting on the left, come down, and then up. And then along the top, we'll add a curve for the teeth, curve up and then down for the tongue, and we'll fill the center of the mouth in black. Now from the tip of the mustache, we're going to step out and curve the cheeks. We're going to go around, bend this in towards the mouth, and then we'll draw the chin coming down and around the mouth and then up. Let's connect the top of the cheeks with a curve going around the top of the eyebrows. We'll start on the left. We'll go all the way around, up towards the top, come down the right side, and we'll bend that back in. In between the eyebrows, we're going to add a curve for the edge of the hat. Let's go to the outside, curve this down, and then up. Let's go back to the cheeks. We're going to curl the hair, coming around and then out. Come in, out, and then up towards the outside corner of the hat brim. And then we're going to tuck the ears along the side. Let's start on the left. Going up, come around, and then in towards the cheek. Let's add a fold, going up and then out. And now we're going to draw the outside of the hat. Let's start on top of the ear, bend this around, go up and then in, go across the top in the middle. And I want to round up the hat, come across towards the right, come down, and then bend that in towards the ear. Let's add a circle on the top, tucked in along the bottom. So we're going to start on the left, going all the way around, and then back down. And then we'll add that M in the center, start along the top, come down and out along the side. I want to trace the M back in along the inside. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start underneath the chin, going out and then in towards the hips. Let's move to the center, step down, add a curve, going down and then up. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Go to the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. We're going to come down and then up. Let's go back to the left side and curve the foot. We're going to go all the way up toward the top, bend this down aiming towards the heel, and bend that down towards the bottom. Now from here we're going to step up, just going to round out the bottom of the pant. Now let's go back up to the hips, we're going to round up the leg. We're going to go out and then down on top of the feet. And we'll add a thick sole across the bottom. Just going to trace that same curve across the top from heel to toe. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the suspenders. We're going to start on the left side. Just going to bend this out and then down towards the bottom. Round up the bottom and just bend that back up towards the side. Now in between, let's add a curve. Let's add a button on either side across the bottom. Now we're going to move back up and stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, angle this down and then out towards the wrist. Let's round up the arm and then bend that back up towards the top. Let's follow that same angle going up and then in underneath the head. Now I'm going to wrap that thick cuff around the wrist, starting from the top, going around and then in on both sides. From the bottom of the cuff, let's bend the thumb, coming out and then down towards the tip. Round up the thumb and then bend that back up. Now I'm going to stretch out the first finger, going out and then up. Round up the finger, come down and then in. Let's fold the center finger, so halfway along the top, then it's up and then in. And then we'll extend the last finger, going up and out. Round up the finger, come down and in towards the cuff. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I want to add some ice across the body. Let's start with the arms. We're going to start from the outside. Just going to draw a wave, coming all the way in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add some ice across the bottom of the feet. Let's add some across the bottom of the hat. Start from the outside. Go across the brim of the hat. And we're going to add some icicles coming out from the hands. Let's start on the left. Coming out towards a point. Round this out. Just add these points coming in towards the thumb. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add some ice across the brim of the hat. Adding these points going across. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Ice Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.